Okay guys, Carter and Carter here again guys, and this time it's the Rockville. Trying to finish up this Rockville subwoofer, which is the RBG 18FA. Alright, looking like that. And let me give you a, oh lord, sorry guys, looking like that. Alright, I mean looking like that, so yeah. This one is the one with the buzzing sound guys, so I just put this one in. These are the snapping caps. They call them snapping because you just snap them and they just stays in like that, you understand? They won't fall out. Yeah, so yes, yeah, definitely. So let me solder them in. So you didn't need it, I put in 2 already. It used 6, I put in 2, so I'm gonna put in 4 more now. So, and that should be good to go. It should be good to go. And I think I give you guys, show you guys a bench test. I don't remember, but I still have another bench test after I finish. And these, yeah, I tested them before, yeah, just to make sure I tested them. As you see guys, line up of the this way, and this on this side go this way, so the circuit will be like this. If you know, you'll know if anybody have one and they misplace it or anything, you know, that way. But circuit is marked anyway guys, so I don't think you guys would make any mistake that way. It's marked, the circuit is so that's one more, and that's this one is the last one. I'm gonna snap right in. Look at that guys, fit like a gloves, same height. I think it's like 22 millimeter to 30 if I'm not wrong, 22 or 25 to 30, something like that, you know. These one, this way. And this guy was making a buzzing sound, as I told you guys before. Well, you guys gonna see the first video anyway, so just letting you guys know, buzzing sound. When I tried to remove the cap, the pin they start to come apart, and I was like, that's not normal. And then when I push on the caps, they keep breaking off, and when I take them out, the pin, some of them was break off inside of the cap. You could see where they break right off. So that was an issue which I don't remember having, or I did, I don't remember if I have a cap, yeah, done that to me before. Yeah, it does, but it was a long time ago. This cap was some cheap cap they use in this thing, cheap capacitor. Shame on the Rockville for that. This cap was so cheap. And let me solder this. I mean, let me screw this in. I said solder because I'm using the solder end. And I'm gonna silicone after I finish here, guys. Silicone these caps so they stay together like birds of a feather. All right. So for now, I'm only going to screw it up. I don't even gonna test it. I'm gonna just the cap and let it dry. And when I'm doing the test, not bench test, I call it ground test or bass test. I'll let you guys see what's going on. And rocking that 18-inch speaker. to tell you the truth, guys, this is a pretty powerful thing. I use 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 MOSFET for the, you know, and it's just one sub. I was like, that's a lot of and these are 63 volts. I think it's like 40 volts maybe. Yeah, that's a lot of power for one sub. Definitely a lot of power, you know, going to one sub. Yes, guys. So yeah, definitely, guys, I'll show you guys what's going on soon when I make the, you know, paste the video of it right there, playing that heavy duty stop and this way. You guys get a better look at the circuit. See, these caps, they not even line up properly, but yeah, that's it. That's the way they were. So, you know, I'm definitely gonna get some silicone. I don't wanna do it. I could just do up here. Do this side to this side, makes sense. Let me see if I find it. Yeah. I hope it's not dried up. Oh my word. Almost dried all the way. Ow. Alright, guys, so I'll see you on the bench test of this ROCKVILLE subwoofer. Okay, guys, 18-inch subwoofer. Alright, see you guys.